And ladies and gentlemen, the first point of the People's Army. Nagpasok na pagod sa Alegre for match 4. And now serving Parillo, the team captain. Serving to Libero. To serve, the opener is an outside hit by the number 3. Masyadong napalakas ang palo. Serving again. Team Parillo. It's a pick it up. The ground ball, pasok, yes. Na-retrieve pa rin. The serve of Team Heritage Kaya. Unang unos pa lang bakbaka na guys. Ang nangyari sa ating labanan sa gabi nito. Matutuhayan natin ang bakbakan between the Team Heritage and Team Warriors Army. Grabe ang sipat ni Tomas, ano? Ayan, trivia lang guys. Bata ko na ako napapanood ko talaga si Tomas sa mga laro ng barangay. Ayan, sa mga TV. Ayan, yan si Tomas naman na yan, ng mga barangayan. I think nandito na siya, matala siya magpakinig sa loob ni Gato. Now serving again. But the service, deleted by the team captain. Nasa niyo basahan. Now serving to Zola. To Parillo's Army. Serve. To opener is Hans Pai. Driven by number 9. Who is number 9? Nakor. Serving. Alegre. To serve. To opener. That's a manipis hit. But denied by the net. Okay, so it's a confusion between our referees, but the decision is the head referee. We must follow. But the decision is outside hit by Estrella. Four touches ka lang. Good! Magigasa ang set, pero mas magigasa siya sa kabilang team. Kaya team na, walang 4. Thank you guys for that wonderful set. Tutoga. Another set for Alegre. Team Parillo's Army. Received by Tomas. Set to Estrella. Set to Alegre. Tomas. Select sa best. Estrella. One hand receive. Select ka rin kaya buhay. Tingin ka rin. Grabe ang receive ng ating mga ulan. It's a goal. Bawat set. Hindi labo ang ating libero right there. Ayan, of course, service by Team Heritage. Alegre, Topato. It's a yes! By Nakor. Tama ba Nakor? Grabe, pakakula ng mga hard spike at hard hit ang ating mga players for this evening.
Patayain mo to ka. Dito sa tindahan eh.
It's a drop back hit by Nakor. Grabe, ganito mo mga katangkaran dito guys, ano? Sa larong volleyball, the height is a mass. Of course, syempre hindi makapatalo ko. And that's why we have once again service by Estrella against Team Parillo's Army. Receive Del Herrero. Sir Alegre. Set Villapatro. It's a ground by him. It's a yes by jersey number 7. Our official score 9-4 in favor of Parillo's Army. Serving to Libero. Tortoga to 4. Oh! It's a violation committed by number 8, Baron. Patrick Baron. Spike, receive, service, yan ang ating mga pangangailangan dito sa Galing Ball. But this time, it's a check ball by number 9. Nako. Ay, nako. Ano na naman ba yung Aurora? Once again, shout out to kay Aurora. From Aurora. Di ba Aurora mo ba? Napakaganda na Aurora mo. Ang fresh meat. Parang fresh meat. Now serving, jersey number 8. Balakana. It's a service error. Committed by Balakana. Grabe, no? Sa laban ito, importante na yung service. Dapat hindi ka talaga maging error. Dapat lagi ang safe. Tulad ng pinagin ni Magno. Safe na safe. Ang team Pariel sa service ni Magno. Ayan. Kaya sa laban ng mga girls, magpaulan ng tutos, ng service case, ang ating mga kababaihan kayo. Kaya, ang malalaki na. Of course, Thomas Jackson. Set to 4. Napag pa rin, grabe. Talaga yung mga ganun hit, talaga nakakaamon na nakalasok. Ayun, mga shot na tumatouch talaga. Yun yung sinasabi natin guys, na kailangan mo ulit talaga sa laban ng volleyball. More than the power. Libero, to Tomas Jackson, tumuli pa rin. Jackson is there. But this receive, committed by Jackson. Guys, alis po kayo sa gilid ng court. Gilid po kayo guys, dahil nangangamit po ang inyong kabuhay. Maraming salamat for understanding. It's a best receive. Committed by number 8. Grabe po po receive. It's because time called by team. Substitution for the team heritage. Number 5, in. Number 8, out. 1, 2, 3, guys. And now, let's go back to the party. Bakbakan. Round. Itapan. Up. Receive by Libero. To open. It's inside heat by the team of Red Army. And a substitution team heritage. Number 5, Chakino E. Number 10, Tortoga up. The game continues. And a service by Pariel. To Thomas Jackson, the center. It's a best receiver, but block. The head spike. Again, once again.
Check ball.
Estrella. Our official score, 16-8 in favor of Pariel's Army. It's a miss. It's a service error committed by Chopino. Ang lakarang preschool. Once again, Alegre serving to Libero, to Jackson, to Estrella. It's a hot spine given by Estrella. The team Pariel will be like a brass. Ang laban ni Estrella in that moment. And ano ba ka na-score ba ito? Ano ba score? 17-9. Grabe, tinagawag sa Alegre. To open it! Estrella! Now Estrella. Our score, 17-10 in favor of Pariel's Army. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, in our first set. Hoping natin sa last game. Okay, the game begins. Serving by Delino. It's a soft serve. Alegre, Papalo. Yes! Touch by the head of Delino. Buti na lang, si Delino sa maramang pala mo. Serving, number 8. It's a jump serve. It's outside. Serve. Committed by number 1. It's too powerful. Serve it. Give it a line. Receive. One and set. Good. Go down. The ball is there. Nothing more. Thomas is here. Oh! Sayang. Now, look at now, guys. The game must continue. Obviously, there's confusion with our referees. Okay, bigyan na tayo ng isang matamis ng center referee. At doon ang labang ating first lady na si Miss Marie Chris Villamon. Hey! Isang mabilis na quick attack by Magno to open air. Pasok. Siyempre, hindi nakakala sa gano'n doon. Siyempre, pag-inabisan ko ng doon kung pagkain mo talaga. Para tawa na walang maghahagis ng pampers na walang maghahagis. It's a next block by Magno. Our score 20-12 in favor of Palier's Army. And this time we have 8-point lead for our team Palier's Army right now. Set the ball of the Jolino, Pinabit. It's an error. It's a crossing violation committed by Magno. Serving. Palier's Army. Nag-ulat sa surprise ng opening ang libero. Lagot ka, Torike. Sakay ko rin. Ayan, sige. Ano kaya ang compliment? Acknowledge of our line judge here. I know, medyo hindi pero kailangan mo bumila. Ayan, it's outside hit by Maniti. Service by Magno. Sinakula ang kuha ng ating person for this time. Inside by Alegre. Ay, nalagyan na sa likod. So, isang nila ng most power. Dapat mga upat talaga. So, pwede nyo combine. Our score 22-14 in favor of Palier's Army. Lalo po ang kalamangan Palier's Army. Tignan! Ang bilis ng libero kong ilangaw. Oo, ang bilis. Pero kinulang. Kasi over-receive. Our score 20-13 in favor of Palier's Army. 20-15 in favor of Palier's Army. Tingnan natin sa pagkakataon ng makakahabol ba at may papakog ba ng Team Heritage at Team Palier. That serve is kina Chachatunan.